welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this problem is called the maximum product subarray. So given an array of numbers, then find a contiguous sum array with an array contains which is largest product, largest product. Okay, so 2, 3. Then the largest continuous array is 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 4 is 2, 3. Okay, and then the minus 2, 0, minus 1 because it's 0, right? Because otherwise we will choose minus 2 or minus 1. Okay, so this problem naively you will need to like the basically, let me see. You will basically need the O(n) squared because there are among like n squared continuous subarray in the list, right? Okay, but actually you don't have to do this, right? So the algorithm is very easy. We want to for each number, right? For I in each numbers, right? You can just suppose you can first okay, so you see, suppose you can use dynamic programming. So if suppose the maximum subarray, maximum continuous subarray from left and the right, one is called A, one is called B. This is maximum, this is minimum. So this maximum A means that the contiguous subarray give you the maximum A, and the minimum is another, right? Give you a B. And there's I, right? Right. So you only have 3 choices, right? So the 3 choices is that suppose you add I in, so so there are 3 possibilities. The first possibility is that you don't care this A and B because this I is very positive, it's very large. Then A will just change it by I, right? You can just A times I, right? Suppose A is positive. And the other case is like suppose I is very negative, then it means I is very small, right? I is very small. So then this minimum can change it to be I or I times B. Okay. So you see, there's only three numbers you need to consider. One is I, one is I times A, one is I times B, right? So okay, you can just choose maximum, right? You can suppose this list L. You can just choose maximum L to be your new A, and then this minimum L to be your new B. And then you just change this A to this substitution this new A and the new B called tilde, and you just keep going, and finally you just take the maximum. Then this will give you a contiguous largest array. And why we need to consider the minimum, because suppose this minimum is negative and this is negative, then you will somehow produce the largest. You're going to somehow produce the larger number if B is negative and this I is negative. Okay, yeah. And if I is the answer, if in this case we only choose I, then that means we are ignoring the left part, right? So I mean, anyway, you only have 3 numbers to consider. Okay, so for element in numbers, then you just define the element to be the possible element, negative element times positive times the negative element, negative times element. So this positive and negative are initialized by 1, 1, and for each positive and negative, you just take the maximum and the minimum, and then you compare with this R. Don't care about this R. This R just set minimum for this code. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.